Okay, I hope that went well for you, and I'm now going to complete this challenge and show you my solution. Starting with number one, which was to create an object containing all of our links, just like we did with the blog post. Outside of the view instance, our constant for our links, which is going to be an array of objects. The first one is the ID of one, the name, which is going to be our home, and the third property is going to be for our URL. This is going to be the location where we're going to link to. So the home link is going to be the index.html, separated by a comma. We need two more links, the ID of 2. And this one is going to link to our portfolio. And the URL is going to be portfolio.html. As I mentioned in the last video, it doesn't matter if this page has been created or not. All we're interested in at this stage is to create a dynamic link. The third one is for contact me and the contact.html. Remove the array from our data property, and we can either set this to be links or we can use the ES6 shorthand, since both of these words are the same. This takes care of step 1 and step 2, and for step 3 we need to loop through these links and output them in our HTML. Over in our index page, we already have a v-for loop set up, so this is taken care of. The next step is to add a dynamic key, which is going to be link.id. Since link is now an object, we also need to pass in the name, and this should all now still work in the browser. Finally, step 4 is to use the A element to create a dynamic href. First of all, the vbind directive, or we can once again use the shorthand, which is the colon. And then rather than the /, we can access the link.url. Save this and we can try out our links in the browser. Home link will still link to this current page, the portfolio. This links to /portfolio.html, and the /contact me is working too. Again, don't worry if this is linking to a file which we haven't created. All that matters is our links are now working.